Intel on Thursday launched new Xeon E 2106 core processor for entry-level workstations. Intel Xeon E 2100 processor is the successor to Intel Xeon E3 processor. Original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, will begin shipping Intel Xeon E 2100 processor-based systems from July 13. With today's workloads, aging workstations impede productivity, collaboration and creativity. The release of the Intel Xeon E processor is intended to deliver the essential performance and visuals for entry workstations, as well as optimizing the innovative form factors, designs and diverse requirements of our customers, said Jennifer Huffstadler, Vice President, and General Manager, Data Center Product Management, Intel Corporation. The new chip has been handcrafted for the demands of creative professionals, Intel said. Compared to its predecessor, the new processor offers higher max turbo frequency, faster DRAM speeds, enhanced I/O, and advanced security and reliability features. The Intel Xeon E 2100 processors are available with Intel UHD graphics 630 supporting 4K UHD with built-in HEV 10-bit hardware acceleration to deliver enhanced 4K media decoding and encoding. The processor supports error-correcting code, ECC, memory, a key feature to maximize data integrity and improve system stability. The Xeon E 2100 has up to 6 cores and 12 threads, clocked up to 4.7 GHz using Intel Turbo Boost Technology 2.0. It supports up to 64 GB 2666 MHz ECC DDR4 RAM. It supports up to 40 lanes of key for graphics, storage, and network expandability. It also offers support for USB 3.1 and Thunderbolt technology, apart from support for Intel Optane memory. The company is also touting advanced hardware-enhanced security with Intel vPro technology and enhanced Intel Software Guard extensions support for Intel Ethernet and Intel Wireless AC networking.